welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely, simple semi-silk cotton sarees which you could wear for a temple or a small function or just a casual wear sarees for whenever you just go for any simple functions. You can wear these kind of sarees. They will be really pretty ones and very easy maintenance. Simple hand wash is enough for these kind of sarees, and they are all priced at a lesser range. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send this to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a beautiful pink with black combination, lovely color combo. It's a thread border on both the sides of the saree, and throughout the body it's a plain one. So the material is all semi-silk cotton saree. Look really class when you wear for simple functions or office wear and all. This will be very neat saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 670. We have one more lovely color combination in this. The next combo in this is a very beautiful orange with black color combination. Lovely orange with black. Beautiful color combination. More of a kesari color than orange. It's more of a kesari color. And this is the pallu of the saree. And blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 670. This is a beautiful green with pink color combination Kota silk cotton saree. Very contrast border. The body is green and the border is in contrast Korvai pattern pink color border, and above that we have a small zari, and throughout the body it's a simple plain body. Lovely color, very beautiful color. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse, and the price of this saree is 690. This is again a beautiful Kota silk cotton saree. It's a navy blue with a pink color contrast border. And on the border we have a beautiful Rudraksha pet. You can have a closer look of the border. A very beautiful border. And throughout the body it's a plain body, but these sarees will look really class when you wear. It's all more like silk. This is all silk cotton sarees, so slightly will be stiff, but easy maintenance sarees. This is the pallu of the saree, beautiful pallu. And the blouse of this saree is navy blue. And the price of this saree is 700. In the same pattern we have some beautiful colors. This is a dark coffee brown with a pink color combination. Beautiful color, lovely pattern. So this is the body. Lovely color combination. Very beautiful coffee brown with pink color combo. And the pallu of the saree is this. And the blouse is a running blouse for this saree, and the price of this saree is 700. We have one more beautiful combination in the same pattern. That's again a peacock green, dark green with a pink color combination. Beautiful combo. This is the body of the saree. Very pretty color combo. And this is the pallu of the saree. Simple line pallu, but looks really rich and elegant when you wear. And the price of this saree is 700. This is a lovely grey with pink color combination. The same semi-silk cotton saree. A lovely border. You can see the border. It's a small page design, and above that we have a beautiful temple pattern design. Very pretty one. And throughout the body it's a plain body. Lovely color combo. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is plain, and the price of the saree is 700. This is a beautiful green with checks pattern border, very contrasting border in pink and violet color combination. You can have a closer look of the border, and above that we have a small zari border also in temple pattern. Very pretty one. Very beautiful shade, lovely pattern. Nice green. The body is completely plain. Simple neat ones, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 670. In the same pattern it's a beautiful yellow with a very pretty checks pattern design again. In the same pattern it's a different color yellow with a beautiful checks border. On both the sides we have the same border. This is the border. And the body is plain. And the pallu is a simple line pallu. And the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 670. There is one more beautiful color combination in the same pattern. That's a beautiful, lovely sea green. Nice shade. Light sea green with the checks borders. Looks really nice when you wear. When you actually pleat it and wear it and all, it'll be really nice. And the pallu of the saree is this, a simple pallu. And the price of the saree is 670. This is a very beautiful pink with a green color combination Kora silk cotton saree with silver border. On the bottom part, on the contrast, we have a beautiful silver border, and the border is a checks pattern design. If you want to have a closer look of the border, very beautiful border. On the other side, it's a small border, and the body is completely plain, but really class piece these sarees are. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is in contrast. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 630. We have one more lovely color combination in the same pattern. The next color combo is green with pink, parrot green with pink color combination. And this is the body, beautiful pink with green combination. So this is how it is, pink with green color, parrot green with pink. And this is the pallu, and the blouse is in contrast pink color. This is the blouse in contrast pink, and the price of this saree is 630. This is a beautiful checks pattern Palapadam Kattam semi-silk cotton saree. Both the sides we have silver zari, and throughout the body is a beautiful checks in green and mustard color combination. Looks really class. It will be very nice for the elders especially. Very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the saree. Pretty pallu with the line pattern blouse, and the price of this saree is 740. In the same Palapadam checks, this is a lovely blue and green color combination checks, lovely pattern. Both the sides silver saree, and the body is in Palapadam checks, lovely pattern. And this is the pallu of the saree, a tissue pallu, a small tissue pallu. And the blouse of the saree in line pattern. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 740. In the same semi-silk cotton saree, this is again a checks pattern design. We have a beautiful zari pattern in meenakari work, and with a beautiful silver zari pattern in the border. You could have a closer look of the border. It's a pretty border. On the other side, it's a small border. Beautiful one, and throughout the body we have a lovely checks in off-white and blue color combination. And the pallu of the saree is a simple line pallu, and the blouse of the saree is in, this is the blouse of the saree, beautiful blouse, and the price of this saree is 750. This is again a beautiful Palapadam Kattam in green and pink color combination. Both the side a small gadisari border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful checks pattern, lovely color combination. And this is the pallu of the saree in pink, and the blouse of the saree is again in pink color combination, and the price of this saree is 690. We have one more lovely color combination in the same pattern. I'll show you the other color. That's going to be a beautiful blue with pink combination. Very beautiful color. This is the body, beautiful pink, blue with pink, lovely color combo. And this is the pallu of the saree in blue, and the blouse is again in contrast blue color. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 690. This is again a very lovely Palapadam checks semi-silk cotton saree. Both the side a gadisari border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful lovely checks pattern in blue, pink and yellow color combination, lovely combination. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is in blue color, and the price of this saree is 700. we have one more lovely color combination in the same pattern. I'll show you the other color. The next is going to be some wow combination. This is the body of the sari in light yellow, red and peacock green shade. Beautiful color combination. This is the body of the sari and this is the pallu, and again the blouse is in this color, and the price of this sari is 700. This is again a beautiful checks pattern semi-silk cotton sari. Both the side we have a lovely thread border in contrast navy blue color. It's more of a violet and bluish shade, that kind of a color. And throughout the body, inside the checks, we have a beautiful thread weaving running along the body. That's all thread weaved in different beautiful floral motif. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu. And the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. And the price of this sari is 950. Thanks for watching the video. I am sure you'd have liked the lovely collections of the semi-silk cotton saris. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.